Hope you can hear me properly. So we would like to present today our company, Future Sports. Unfortunately, we've been last in the stock exchange list. Not the best result, I have to say, but what can we do? So let me introduce our company. So our mission was to deliver quality equipment for affordable prices to improve healthy lifestyle. And in the future, we want our brand to be associated with that phrase, healthy lifestyle. So that was our mission. We also wanted to offer our employees the best organizational culture that will so they will follow our mission and spreading a healthy lifestyle. Our strategy was cost leadership. I think probably the most standard strategy that a lot of company was practicing in that exercise. And let's start with the sad facts. We landed at the very bottom of the stock exchange rankings, like I've said before. Those are results for the 8th round. Hopefully in the 9th round it's gonna be better. So we still have 1 week to stand up from our knees and finish the game with a positive income. At the moment the income is negative, but I will explain in a little bit why it's like that. At this moment the net profit is, like I said, negative 134,000, and we can hardly cover the profit, right? So what was the problem? The problem was, it's a shame to admit, but we were struggling with a quite simple thing, and that thing was placing order with our supplier. To be honest, we couldn't understand that till the end. Five people in our team couldn't understand how that thing works. Yeah, it's shameful. Yeah, you can laugh, of course, but yeah, we were facing problem with that one. We were thinking like we're gonna order something, it's gonna count to the current round, but unfortunately it didn't. But what are the happy facts? The happy facts are that even though we suffered like ordering related issues 3 times, yeah, that was 3 times. I describe those things in our report in more details. So we managed to sustain the most positive stable levels of market shares among all companies. That wasn't anything special. But if you look on that kind of chart, we are the red color. We have the kind of very stable market share for all rounds except the period 8. We're kind of proud of that. Yeah, it's maybe not the big thing, but we are proud of that thing. And even though we are in the bottom of the list and we suffered those issues with the ordering, we was able to be 5 times number 1 in the market share size for a few products. So actually for five times, so maybe like a few products appeared a few times, and just 3 times, yeah, 3 times, excluding of course the unlucky 8 period, the last one in the stock exchange, in the market shares. So just 3 times. That was 2nd place after the 4 sports. They were just twice the last one, if I'm correct. So every little helps. We are happy about it. So like a little reward to make us happy. So like you can see, that's the market share for all the companies from the Manchester area. We are the red line. The 4 sport is the gray line. That was our main competitor. And the unlucky one was probably the Ultimate Sport Warehouse. In the beginning they were suffering some issues, but like after like 3-4 weeks they stand up and they are in front of us in the stock exchange list. That's cool, guys. Congratulations. So how we shape our strategy? Like I said, that was strategy was cost leadership, and we were shaping like interactively our strategy. That was interactive price and quality strategy. If you remember maybe that kind of picture from the textbook that we have assigned for that module. So we have that kind of style. I'll explain that, what that mean. So from the very beginning we were checking who is our the most dangerous competitor, and that was 4 sports and the sport warehouse. They were leaders in like few couple of weeks on the stock exchange and with the market share. So we were chasing them. Unfortunately, the Ultimate Sport Warehouse seems to struggle some issues. I think they were aiming for differentiation in the beginning. They set up the prices quite high, like nearly 100% higher than everyone. But after they changed the strategy, like I've said, so they grabbed quite significant amount of market share. That was cool. So we were shaping the prices accordingly to our competitors for sports mainly. And if we couldn't, chase them with the prices, we were investing in the quality. So we've made their life a little bit harder because they have to chase us with the quality as well. So like the image show, maybe remember that from the textbook. That's the low price guy. That's the differentiator, the middle guy. And we were trying to move that value line a little bit on the right as much as we can. So the like for sports and all the differentiators have to invest heavily on the quality, so they don't lose the market. So that's the little preview of what we did. I've made that Excel file, so I was tracking what we're doing week by week. So all the changes, all our decisions are here. So I have them. So I had them always available, and they were quite easy to read. Like you see the red color here, we were struggling here with the order kind of issue again for the first time actually. When we purchased not enough things and we ran out, we sold everything. Like you see, the market demand was higher actually than our supply, so we couldn't grab the high market share, but we still been able to be first in the market. I'm not sure for which product. I think that was skateboard. And that's the market shares kind of table I was making. So that's our future sports. So like we have the green is the highest score, the red one is the lowest score. As you can see, the Ultimate Sport Warehouse had quite a few, lowest scores. The fourth sports was like leader. Yeah, they had the highest amount of the green colors, so they were leaders. But I think the Sport Warehouse was in front of them in the stock exchange in the final round. So yeah, but they were cool, but they've lost a little bit, unfortunately, for them. Yeah, so I was tracking that stuff week by week, so to check where we are. Like you can see the green colors, so we are the leaders. A few times the last period was like dramatic for us. We've been on the red for two products, and before the last one, but 0.31%, so it's nothing to be proud of. Yeah, so like I said, we've been the 3 times the lowest. We had the 3 times the lowest market share, except the period 8. So that's quite successful thing for us. And that's the sad thing at the stock exchange. We are the last one. We've lost 767% in the week 8. Of course, it was because of the ordering again. I don't know. That was too much for us to understand. Yeah, but that thing happened. So we didn't order anything, I think, in the round 7. So we have nothing to sell in round 8. So that's what we had. So the skateboard was 369, 0 inline skate, 7 tennis rackets, and 140 ice hockey sticks. That wasn't enough to sell to make money. So we had negative profit of 134,000. That was a silly thing to do. Yeah, so that was the demand for that week. So as you can see, we could sell quite a lot, 750, and we had 0 available. So we've lost a lot of money here. And what we could do better, lesson learned, we should keep eye on the product's quality, because the balance of that is important. Like inline skates, we had too high quality of that product. That's very nice from the customer point of view, but as an organization, we have to invest in that quality. That wasn't a good thing. Like we overdosed the quality, yeah, we can say that. So after we wanted to lower it down, and we order stuff from that Prodowski guy, he's Polish like me. Unfortunately, we had quality of 0.00. After doing that, I don't know if that was mistake in the application Edumundo, or that was reality, like the guy is offering 0 quality. I was thinking like we can drop to like 2 points or 3 points, but not to 0.00. Another thing is constantly observe the market, what's going on there. Like that five forces is not this static thing. It has to be like reviewed, and you have to check what's going on in the market. You remember probably like we had some issues with that fire in factory or transportation strikes, so we've lost few pounds here and there, especially that burned warehouse affect our market a little bit, our income a little bit, and because we had to pay some extras for the storage. Yeah, that was like extra, I don't know, like 30% or something like that. So with also like strategy is not constant thing. They say don't change your strategy, but you have to adjust it. You can't stay with the same strategy. I think even if your company is going down and everything's burning around, you have to adjust it. The ultimate sport warehouse was the example of that. I think they changed the strategy a little bit from differentiation to like cost leadership. Like in the fourth week or fifth, sorry, they dropped the prices significantly. Like they had products worth like 380 quid and they dropped it to 200 or something like that, to that level. So that was visible like change of strategy. I think, I'm not sure, but that's for 90%. And listen to customers, yeah, they need some quality. Like inline skates showed us like nobody wants those Prodowski inline skates anymore because they have zero quality, totally, like from the Poundland shop probably. So yeah, so you have to invest in quality, but don't overdose it. Too much is wasting the money. And of course, look after staff. Yeah, organizational culture is important. We were improving the working conditions to excellent. The staff, we try to keep the staff happy. We hired like better managers. And yeah, and the most important thing, place the correct order, stock orders in the end of the round. Yeah, that was the biggest lesson for us. We suffer a lot because of that. Silly thing, yeah, but that thing happened to us, yeah. So that's the last round, the bonus for us. We stand up from our knees. Like we have some positive kind of growth in that stock exchange. We're still the last one, but we like stand up, like I said, we stand up for our knees. So it's like good finish for us, good gift. That thing, stock exchange, what's the name, scorecard doesn't look maybe perfectly. Few things are on the green, or they aiming to be green. Their profit was on the red because of those mistakes, but the return of equality is growing and the profit is start to grow a little bit. So yeah, that's the story about 4 sports. Thank you very much.